Okay, let me repeat it for you, sir. The United States is urging the rapid adoption of the Security Council for the resolution for the stabilization force and to endorse the Trump peace plan in general. Why do you think Washington is pushing for this at this speed? And what does this urgency tell us about the broader strategy when it comes to Gaza?
Well, first of all, now it looks like that there is an agreement to pass the resolution before the UN Security Council, and it will succeed to be voted, and it will not be as it is now. It will not be. They will not see a veto against it. So at least it will be a positive step. Even the countries, they did not agree to all aspects of this peacekeeping force or the stabilization force, whatever it's called. At least it will be some abstentions, but no vetoes. So we will see the resolution passing in these circumstances. Well, the point here,
yes.
First of all, we have to see that there is an agreement, a general agreement in the international community, which is a positive matter to relieve the Palestinians from these horrors of the continuous war for years now. The point here is what will be the subject matter of the implementation. There is the stabilization force, but then Israel they asked now that they will agree to have it under Chapter 7 of the UN Charter, and it means that it will have an important position. It will have important powers. It will be backed by the UN National Security. It will be also backed by all countries. It means that it will have military powers. But here, this is the positive answer. And this is the positive response to the situation. And it will be a good measure for the Palestinians.
But Dr. Boudin, the Palestinians may be fearful of the stabilization force. They're worried that basically they're not sure where they're going to be located. Will it split Gaza into two? Will it deter self-determination and self-governance of the Palestinians? These are all issues that seem to be a gray area for the Palestinian people. What's your opinion there?
Even if the link is not very clear, but I understood the meaning in general terms. It means that there is a point that it should be now, after the resolution, be clarified in the negotiations to implement the resolution. The resolution is fine now, and it's good. We have it means that the UN Security Council has seen that there is a violation. It seems that they have to protect the peace situation and to reestablish the peace. So on these general terms, it's good. It's a good position, and we have to construct on it. The point here is to define on which scale, on which geography this must be implemented. And the major point is that the Palestinians must request that it should be implemented for all the Palestinian territories of the 1967 borders, which is accepted by the international community, and not only for Gaza. And this is very important, to not have the Palestinian territory divided into Gaza, where we will have a stabilization force, and on the other hand, the West Bank without any stabilization force. So it must be some equilibrium on this matter. First of all, the international community has agreed to disarm and demilitarize Hamas, which will be a good thing for the region and for the stability. The second point is that the Palestinian population will be protected from any aggression or resumption of the aggression by the Israeli army. But now we are talking about Gaza. And the Gaza situation is linked to the West Bank situation and East Jerusalem situation. Therefore, the Palestinians have the right to request under international law that these stabilization force must be deployed on all the borders of 1967 before the war at the time.